Welcome to my YouTube channel Vivek Mathematics Classes. In last video we have discussed about exercise 3.2 question number 3 to 8. In this video we are going to solve from question number 9 to 14.
So here they have given sum of two matrices equal to this matrix. It means you have to apply summation rule and equality rule. Okay. So left side what we will get? First we will multiply by 2 here and we will add. So what we will get? 2 into 1 will be 2 plus y. Okay. And here we will get 2 into 3 will be 6 plus 0. And next 2 into 0 will be 0 plus 1. And next will be 2 into x will be 2x plus 2. And this will be equal to this matrix 5, 6, 1, 8. So we know that if two matrices are equal, then corresponding elements you have to compare. That should be equal. So you will get 2 plus y will be equal to 5. So from here what we will get? Y value will be 5 minus 2 will be 3. And similarly we can write 2x plus 2 will be equal to 8. So what will be your 2x value? 8 minus 2 will be 6. So x will be 3. That's all. 10th one. Solve the equation for x, y, z and t. Okay. Same like previous. So what we will get? We will get 2x plus 3. And here what we will get? 2z minus 3. And next 2y plus 0. And here we will get 2t plus 6. Okay, this is our LHS and this will be equal to 3 times of RHS. So 3 into 3 will be 9, here 15 and here 12, here 18. So we will equate this. It means this 2x plus 3 should be equal to 9. So from here what will be x value? 2x will be equal to 9 minus 3 will be 6. So x will be 3. X value we got as 3. Now if you compare the A12 with B12, what you will get? 2z minus 3 will be equal to 15. So this 2z will be 3 plus 15 will be 18. So z will be 9. Next A21 with B21 if you compare. So 2y will be equal to 12, y will be equal to 6. Next this 2t plus 6 will be equal to 18. So this 2t will be equal to 18 minus 6 will be 12. So t value will be 6. That's all. Okay. So in this question what they have given? If x into this matrix plus y into this one equal to some other matrix. Okay. So we will apply the rule. So if you multiply here by x, what will get? 2x and here 3x. This will be our first matrix. In this you have to add with minus y and here y. And this will be equal to 10, 5. So add this. So what we will get here? 2x minus y and here 3x plus y. And this will be equal to 10 and 5. So we will equate this and we will get the two equations. So what we are getting? 2x minus y equal to 10. And 3x plus y equal to 5. So if you add this, what you will get? Y will be cancelled out. You will get 5x equal to 15. So x will be equal to how much? 3. X value we are getting 3. So we will substitute x value in equation number 1. We will get y value. So from equation number 1 what they have given? 2x minus y equal to 10. From here what will be y value? Y will be 2x minus 10. So y will be equal to 2 into 3 will be 6 minus 10. This will be minus 4. X and y value we got. Okay. So 12th question is given 3 times of this matrix equal to sum of these two matrices we have given. Okay. So they are asking find the value of x, y, z and w. Okay. So we will apply the rule equality and sum of the two matrices. Okay. So left side will become 3 times of this matrix. So 3 will be multiplied with each and every element. So we will get 3x, 3y, 3z and 3w. Okay. And this will be equal to, if you add this thing, what you will get here? X plus 4 and here x plus y plus 6. And second row we will get as z plus w minus 1. And here we will get 2w plus 3. So since these two matrices are equal to each other, it means order should be equal. Yes, order is 2 cross 2, it is equal. Next thing, corresponding elements should be equal. So what are the corresponding elements? This 3x value should be equal to x plus 4. So from here what will be your x value? 2x will be 3x minus x will be 2x. 2x will be equal to 4. So x value will be 2. X value we are getting 2. Next, if we compare A12 with B12, so what you will get? 3y will be equal to x plus y plus 6. So bring this y to one side. So 3y minus y will be 2y. And this will be equal to x plus 6. X value you know 2 plus 6. So this 2y will be equal to 8. What about y value? 4. So y value we are getting as 4. Next, if you compare this one, so 3z will be equal to z plus w minus 1. So from here what you will get? 3z minus z will be 2z. 2z will be equal to w minus 1. This will be our equation number, let's say equation number 1. And similarly, if you compare A22 with B22, we will get one more equation. So what you will get here? 3w equal to 2w plus 3. 2w plus 3. So from here what you will get? If you subtract this, 3w minus 2w will be w will be equal to 3. W value you are getting 3. So what we will do? We will substitute this w value in equation number 1. So we will get z value. 2z will be equal to w minus 1. So 3 minus 1. So 2z will be, what about z? Z will be 2 by 2. It means 1. Z value we are getting 1. So we got all the values, all the 4 values. Next, 13th. If fx equal to a 3 cross 3 matrix they have given, and they are asking that so that fx into fy will be equal to f of x plus y. Okay. So first we will take LHS. So what is our LHS? Fx into fy. Fx into f of y. So you have to multiply this. What will be our fx? Fx will be same thing. So you will get cos x minus sin x and 0. Here you will get sin x, cos x, 0. Third row will be 0, 0, 1. So this we are getting fx, a 3 cross 3 matrix. Again fy. Fy means in this fx, in place of x you have write y. So you will get fy. So you will get cos y minus sin y, 0. Here you will get sin y, cos y and 0. And third row will be 0, 0, 1. So this also is a 3 cross 3 matrix. So if you multiply, multiplication also will be 3 cross 3 matrix. So we will multiply this. So first thing what we will do? We will multiply first row with first column. First row with first column. So we will get A11. We will write here. Okay. So you will get cos x into cos y. Cos x into cos y. Then minus sin x into sin y. Sin x into sin y. Okay. And plus 0 into 0 will be 0. And no need to write here. Next we will get as first row and second column. First row and second column will multiply. So what we will get? we will get cos minus sign, minus times of cos x sin y. Okay, next again minus times of sin x cos y, sin x cos y. Okay, and 0 into 0 will be 0 only. Next thing, we will multiply first row and third column. So this will be 0, 0 and 0 only. So it will be 0. Next we will multiply second row with first column. So this second row will multiply with first column. So what we will get? Sin x cos y. Sin x into sin y. No, first column is cos y. So sin x cos y. Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Cos x sin y. Okay, and this will be 0 only. And next second row, second column. So we will get minus sin x sin y plus cos x cos y. Cos x cos y. And here if you multiply with 0, you will get 0 only. Next second row, third column. So 0, 0, 0. Everything will be 0. Next thing we will write as third row and first column will multiply. We will multiply third row and first column. So third row is what? 0. So you will get 0 only. 0 into 0, 0. Everything will be 0. So 0. Next third row, second column. So 0 into minus sin y will be 0. 0 into cos y also 0. And 1 into 0 will be 0. So this also will be 0. Next third row, third column. So 0 into 0 will be 0. 0 into 0, 0. And 1 into 1 will be 1. So this will be our answer. We will simplify this. So what we will get? We will get fx into fy as fx into fy as. So if you see here first one, cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. What is this? This is a cos x plus y formula. So here I will write as cos of x plus y. Okay. And what about this? In this a1, 2, if you take minus common, so you will get cos x sin y plus sin x cos y. So what is this? This is sin x plus y formula. So we will get minus times of sin of x plus y. And here again 0. And what about this? Here again we will get as sin of x plus y. Sin of x plus y. And in this cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. So this is again cos of x plus y. And next 0. And here third row is 0, 0, 1. So if you compare with our first f of x, so in place of x here they have given x plus y everywhere. So what will be this? This will become f of x plus y. So it will be proved fx into fy equal to f of x plus y. That's all proved. Next 14th one. They are saying that so that multiplication of these two matrices is not equal to this thing. Okay. So if you see the first one, if this is A matrix, then and this one is B matrix. So what they have given here? B into A. So it means basically we need to prove A into B will not be equal to B into A. AB not equal to BA. Okay. So we will do first one. First part we will do here. So first part what they have given, we will take LHS first. First we will take LHS. So in this we have given 2 cross 2 matrices. So 5 minus 1, 6 and 7. Second one is 2, 1, 3, 4. So we will multiply this and we will write here. So what will be product of this? Since order is 2 cross 2 for both, it means resultant matrix will also will have 2 cross 2 order. So we will multiply this. What we will get? First row, first column will multiply. So you will get a 5 into 2, 10. Minus 1 into 3 will be minus 3. Next, first row, second column will multiply. Second column. So you will get 5 into 1 will be 5. And here minus 1 into 4 will be minus 4. Next, second row and first column will multiply. Second row, first column. So you will get 6 into 2 will be 12. Plus 7 into 3 will be 21. And next will be second row, second column. So 6 into 1 will be 6. And plus 7 into 4 will be 28. So what will be our answer? It will be 10 minus 3 will be 7. And here 1. 12 plus 21 will be 33. And here 6 plus 28 will be 34. So this will be our LHS. Now we will solve our RHS. What about RHS? RHS is 2, 1, 3, 4. Multiply with this 5 minus 1, 6, 7. So what we will get here? Again you have to multiply first row with first column. So what we will get here? If you multiply first row with first column, we will get as, so 2 into 5 will be 10 plus 6. Next, first row, second column. So if you multiply with second column, 2 into minus 1 will be minus 2, 1 into 7 will be 7. Next, second row, first column, second row, first column. So I will write here 3 into 5 will be 15 plus 4 into 6 will be 24. Next, 3 into minus 1 will be minus 3 and plus 4 into 7 will be 28. So what will be our answer? 10 plus 6 will be 16. And here minus 2 plus 7 will be 5. Next thing, 15 plus 24. 15 plus 24 will be 39. And next, 28 minus 3 will be 25. So this will be our answer. So clearly if you see, LHS not equal to RHS. So we can prove LHS not equal to RHS. Proved. Here also they have given two 3 cross 3 matrices. Let's say this is A and this one is B. So here they have given B into. So we need to prove A into B not equal to B into A. Okay. So I will take LHS first. LHS what they have given. It is a 3 cross 3 matrix 1 2 3 0 1 0 and 1 1 0 1 1 0. Okay, this we need to multiply with another 3 cross 3 matrix minus 1 1 0 0 minus 1 1 and 2 3 and 4. So we will multiply this and we will check the answer. Okay, so how to multiply? You have to multiply row by column. So first of all we will multiply first row and first column. So this 1 into minus 1 will be minus 1. Then 2 into 0 will be 0. No need to write. 3 into 2 will be 6. Okay. Next, first row and second column will multiply. So if you multiply with second column, what you will get? 1 into 1 will be 1. And 2 into minus 1 will be minus 2. 3 into 3 will be 9. Next, first row and third column will multiply. So what we will get? 1 into 0 will be 0. Plus 2 into 1 will be 2. And 3 into 4 will be 12. Similarly, we will multiply second row and first column here. Second row and first column. So 0 into minus 1 will be 0. 1 into 0 will be 0. And 0 into 2 will be 0. So here we will get 0. Next thing, we will multiply second row, second column. So 0 into 1 will be 0, 1 into minus 1 will be minus 1, and 0 into 3 will be 0. Next, second row, third column, 0 into 0 will be 0, 1 into 1 will be 1, 0 into 4 will be 0. Next, third row and first column will multiply. This is our third row, multiply with first column. So 1 into minus 1 will be minus 1, 1 into minus 1 will be minus 1, and 3 into 0 will be 0. Next, so 2 into 0 will be 0. Actually it is wrong. I should multiply with third row and first column. So we will multiply third row and first column. So third row is 1 1 0 and minus 1 0 2. So I will multiply this. 1 into minus 1 will be minus 1, 1 into 0 will be 0, and 0 into 2 will be 0. Next, third row, second column, 1 into 1 will be 1, 1 into minus 1 will be minus 1, and 0 into 3 will be 0. Next, 1 into 0 will be 0, and 1 into 1 will be 1, and 0 into 4 will be 0. So this will be our answer. So if you simplify this, what we will get? We will get LHS as 5, and here 10 minus 2 will be 8, and here 14. Next, second row will be 0 minus 1 1, and third row will be minus 1 0 1. So this we are getting our LHS. Now we will check our RHS. So what will be our RHS? RHS will be reverse of this multiplication. So minus 1 1 0. Next will be 0 minus 1 1, and 2 3 4. This we need to multiply with another 3 cross 3 matrix, that is 1 2 3 0 1 0 and 1 1 0. So multiply this. What we will get? First we will multiply first row and first column. So what we will get? Minus 1 into 1 will be minus 1, 0 into 1 will be 0, and 0 into 1 will be 0. Next, first row and second column will multiply. Second column. So multiply this. What we will get? Minus 1 into 2 will be minus 2. This will be minus 2. And 1 into 1 will be 1 and 0. Next, first row and third column will multiply. So minus 1 into 3 will be minus 3, and this will be 0 only. Next, second row, first column will multiply. Second row, first column. So 0 into, this is our second row. So 0 into 1 will be 0, minus 1 into 0 will be 0, and 1 into 1 will be 1. Next thing, second row, second column will multiply. So 0 into 2 will be 0, minus 1 into 1 will be minus 1, and 1 into 1 will be 1. And next, second row, third column. So 0 into 3 will be 0, minus 1 into 0 will be 0. Okay. So next we will go to third row and first column multiplication. So you will get 2 into 1 will be 2, and 3 into 0 will be 0, and 4 into 1 will be 4. Next, third row, second column. 2 into 2 will be 4, 3 into 1 will be 3, and 4 into 1 will be 4. Next, third row, third column. So 2 into 3 will be 6, and others will be 0. So what we are getting? If we simplify this, we will get here as minus 1, here also minus 1 and minus 3, and next was 1 0 0, and here 6, 8 plus 3 11, and here 6. Clearly LHS not equal to RHS. So prove LHS not equal to RHS. Prove.
Thank you very much for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel to motivate me for making many more videos. Please write your views and suggestions in comment section of the video. Thank you once again.